If you have a district device and you're experiencing issues or any problems with that device, you can submit a help desk ticket to the IT department for them to review and hopefully provide support. To access the help desk system, you're going to go to ebrschools.org and pop quiz, go to your quick links. Remember, in the top right-hand corner, your links button is right there. Click that icon, and all of your EBR quick links will pop open for you. On the top row, you have the icon that says Help Desk. Click on Visit Link, and you're going to sign in with your EBR credentials. Nothing different, the same credentials that you normally use for your email as well as for Google. And then whenever you sign in, all of your information will auto-populate. So you'll see your name, your email address, as well as your school site. You can change your school site based on where you are currently housed. You can also add a phone number, and then, of course, specify the type of device or software issue that you're experiencing. So maybe you have a Chromebook issue. You're going to want to make sure you keep it on Chromebook. Or maybe you have a hotspot request, a login issue, a printer issue, etc. Specify what kind of request type you're choosing. And then you can also specify your room number if you're at a school site. Maybe you have an active board problem or a panel problem. And then provide the device information. All of our EBR devices come with a property control tag number, a serial number, make, model, and of course a description. Provide all of these information right here. And then if you're maybe providing this ticket on behalf of a student for your class, you can provide that student ID number, username, etc. And then this last section requires you to be as explicit as possible and detail what is going on with the actual device or what issue you're experiencing and what needs actual support. Then click Submit Help Desk Tickets, and you will receive an email confirmation, and they will begin reviewing your account.